Welcome back to AJVC Startup Chronicles. I'm your host Sarthak. Did government roll out any benefits for startups? Why did Patanjali launch a credit card? Did you know Bangalore is no longer the startup capital of India? Watch the video to find all the answers. Not a lot to talk about tax reforms in this budget, but a couple of things will definitely help the future of the startup ecosystem. Here are startup related tax updates from the budget. The surcharge levied on unlisted share sales has been reduced from 37.5% to 15%. However, the tax rate remains unchanged at 20%. So, adding the surcharge and cess to the tax rate will result in around 24% tax. Today, this will benefit employees cashing in from the ESOP pool, domestic investors, and even founders themselves. Typically, people or firms who sell their shares in unlisted companies often use amount from it to invest in newer companies and thus putting it back in the startup ecosystem. Hence, less tax will encourage more startup investments. The government also extended the tax incentive it offers to new startups for the first 3 years of their incorporation by another year. With this, startups incorporated between April 1, 2016 to March 31st, 2023 can now qualify as eligible startups to claim tax benefits for 3 consecutive years within the first 10 years of their operation. Chargebee doubles its valuation to $3.5 billion with $250 million funding from Tiger and Sequoia. Chargebee is a revenue management platform that automates revenue operations of over 4,000 high-growth subscription-based businesses. The company believes that in future, every company will be a subscription-based company. Why is subscription-based company so attractive though? Well, the biggest reason is that there is predictability of revenue, which is extremely valuable. It is expected that SaaS, software as a service sector, will generate revenues between $50 to $70 billion by 2030. Economic Survey 2022 was presented, and Delhi overtakes Bangalore as the startup capital of India. It registered 500 more startups than Bangalore. While 2021 was undoubtedly a big year for startups, this year has already started off with an improvement over last year. Overall, Indian startups have raised over $4.6 billion in funding in January 2022, which is 5 times more than January last year. As many as 196 deals were struck throughout this month. This translated into an 87% increase in the number of deals as compared to January 2021. Also, the number of internet users have crossed the 830 million mark in 2021. Indian users spent an average of about 4.7 hours daily on mobile apps in 2021. Social media and communication apps take at least 70% of their screen time. Final story of the day: PNB, Punjab National Bank, and Patanjali Ayurved Limited have launched a co-branded credit card in partnership with NPCI through RuPay. What is the reason of launching a card product by an FMCG brand? Co-branded cards offer a hassle-free credit service to purchase day-to-day Patanjali products along with the cashback offers, loyalty points, insurance cover, and more. An official statement read. PNB can onboard a lot of new users through this pipeline, and for Patanjali, it will enhance the shopping experience with more purchase induced through the credit card. So that's it for today. We hope that you liked the content. Let us know in the comment section what do you think about today's content. Follow AJVC for more startup related news, and we'll see you next week.